morning everyone and welcome to this week's Monday Wrap. I'm Casey Healey, Director at Century21 Newcastle. Today I am flying solo. Nicole's out and about. December being our busiest month in property management. We've got 13 more tenants still to move in prior to Christmas, so it's all hands on deck, getting ingoings, vacates done. Properties ready for tenants to move in to call home prior to Christmas. What did we see on Saturday? We had 3 properties open for inspection. We've only got 3 properties for lease at the moment, other than one that's just gone on today. So we are seeing lower numbers through our Saturday open houses. Now, I believe that's just because people are busy with Christmas functions that they're not able to attend the Saturday. We're seeing higher numbers actually come through our midweek inspections. So from Saturday, we know at least 1 property should be leased. We had a really good application on Harvard Close at Jesmond. We have got some other applications, but we're still looking at those at this stage. But at least 1 out of the 3 will be leased from Saturday. The last week saw the leasing of 6 properties. In particular, one of those was 201 at 21 Honeysuckle Drive, a fully furnished 1-bedroom unit in the Loom complex. Now that one leased prior to showing or prior to viewing, prior to open house. It leased due to our video marketing. So because we have the video inspection, the walkthrough inspection, a doctor moving to Newcastle to work at the John in the new year was able to secure that unit and have full transparency across the property via our video walkthrough using the floor plan and marketing photos. So that was really good news on that one. The owner's very happy with his new tenants moving in January. I'd like to take this time to really thank our trades. They've gone above and beyond for us this year in really working with us and working within our KPIs. We've kind of pushed the boundaries a little bit to have things done and work towards those KPIs. And our trades have really stepped up and taken the initiative and really helped us with those. So they're really busy at the moment, as everyone is with Christmas. I don't know what it is, but everything needs to be done before Christmas. But really wanted to take the time to really thank our trades. This week saw a new blog post released about urgent repairs. I wrote this one to educate both landlords and tenants on what is an urgent repair, just to be aware of those over the Christmas period. So although our office is closing just for a short break between Christmas and New Year, we still have our trades available for emergency repairs. And as the business owner, I've got the phones. So anything that comes through will come directly through to my mobile. But obviously by educating our tenants on what is an emergency repair, we'll minimise those call outs. We also have our maintenance bot that'll triage any maintenance for us in the background as well. I think that's about all I have for you this week. As I said, really busy week. 13 tenants still to move in prior to Christmas. Point just to make in relation to that is that we've been signing 14 and 15 month leases over this time. So just so owners aren't having tenants vacate over the Christmas period for future years, we actually kind of divert the November, December, January vacate and we'll move everything forward. So we'll sign a 15-month lease rather than a 12-month lease, just so owners aren't having tenants vacate over Christmas and any worries in relation to that. So just ensuring that the properties are vacant during the silly season as such. If you have any questions, if I can help in any way, I'm Casey Healey, Director at Century21 Newcastle. I look forward to talking with you soon. Thank you.